Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. It's your boy J Spence and this is J Spence TV. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. So I got the Subi home. It drove great. I actually had better gas mileage than I thought, and I had no complaints whatsoever other than the radio. It's a basic radio, but that can be changed out, which is not a problem. So with that being said, you know, what's the first mod? Literally, what is the first mod? Our first mod is going to be this. So the first mod is actually going to be this. I got in contact with Private Label Manufacturing, PLM, I think that's what it stands for, and they sent me an Axleback, and I'm just going to unbox it for you so you can see what exactly it is. Kind of like a muffler delete. Well, it is a muffler delete, but it's a bolt-on solution. So let's get to it. Let's get this box open. Alright, so here we go. Damn. Well, that's all that came in the box itself, you know. So this is what came in the box, you know. The welds are good. Burnt tips. I mean, there's no hardware, so I guess I gotta use the OEM stuff, which is always the best, apparently. So this is going to be driver's side. And this is going to be passenger side, I believe, but man, look at this. Look at this. The quality. This is so amazing. Can't wait to hear how it sounds. So let's get these bad boys installed. Okay, we're back. I actually have to go inside and change my shirt and my shoes. So we're gonna be starting off with two 14mm bolts right there, and then there's gonna be two on that side. So I guess I'm gonna do the passenger side first and then work my way over. So it's just those two bolts and then the hangers, and we should be good to go. Alright, here's a little update. Got one off and one to go. It's really not that hard. It's just doing it not on like a lift or a jack stands. A little bit more time consuming, but getting that work done. So I'll give you an update once I get both of them off, or once I get the next one off. Okay, another update. We got both mufflers off. It wasn't that hard, but they're off. So now time to install the new ones. Alright, the new tips are installed. Well, not fully, I just gotta bolt them down, make sure everything is good, and then do a little start. One more update. Ladies and gentlemen, we are done with the install. Everything is bolted up tight and ready to go. So let's get a cold start with this whole little muffler delete. And just like that, guys, the install is done. You heard the cold start. Well, it was warm, but it has a little pop. I love it. I was thinking about doing a resonator delete, but I don't know for sure yet because of this. It's a good tone. It's not too loud, not too quiet. But with that being said, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned to the next video. Like I said, I got more content coming your way with this car. And sorry about that 1IS. It's slow, but it's gonna get there. But please like, comment, and subscribe once again.